Hi, hello, good morning once again. Today you with Mr. Have in mathematics. So, how are you? I hope you are fine. Are you ready? Let's do this together today. First thing first, so we need your mathematics textbook. Second, we need our mathematics activity book. And don't forget our pencil and rubber. Alright, so prepare all these things first. Alright, so what is our objective for today? Number one, you will apply the word of smaller than and larger than correctly. Number two, compare larger and smaller number. And number three, you will know how to differentiate larger and smaller number. Okay, before we start our activity, Mr. Have wants you to know this word first. Number one, small. Number two, large. What is small? What is large? Let's see this example. I have ball. Yes, so this ball is small. Now let's see large. Yes, this ball is large. Alright, so you can call large as big. Alright, I have two words. Let's compare small and smaller. Just now you know what is small. So let's see. Small. This is small ball. And how about smaller? Smaller is the size is getting small. That is smaller. Alright, so now is large and larger. So Mr. Have said large is big. Alright, so let's see for large and larger. Here is the example. Large ball. Larger ball. Alright, so you see the size. The size of the ball is small a little bit, and then the size of the ball is big. Alright. Let's look at this word, compare. Compares is we look at the apple. Example, the apples. So on your left side, the apple is big, and on your right side, the apple is small. So compare the big apple with the small apple. So you know what is compare now? Alright, so for our activity today, let's compare numbers. We look at example number 1. It is 256 all together. It is 356 all together. I have 100 more. Let's see this example together. Determine which number is larger, 256 or 356. Let's see the blocks. First, you will see 200 blocks. And you will see 10 rows of blocks. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And last one, block pieces. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Alright, let's look at 300 blocks. So we have 300. And 10 rows block, we have 5 only. And 1 pieces of blocks, we have 6. So, firstly, look at the hundredths value. 300 is 100 more than 200. So, 300 is larger than 200. So it becomes 356 is larger than 256. Another example, let's do for these two numbers, 418 and 415. Let's see with place value first. So we see we have 400. So these two numbers have the same 400. Alright, let's see 10th house. So in 10th house, we have the same number, which is number 1. Correct? And last one is 1's house. So the difference is 8 and 5. Which one is larger or big? Yes, number 8 is larger. So 418 larger than 415. Alright, very good everyone. Next example, we have 623 and 643. Let's do together using place value. Alright, so first number we see 600. This is the same. And let's look at 10th house. So we have 2 and 4. Which one is larger? Yes, 4. And last one, let's see the 1's house. So it is the same number, number 3. So what we have is 623 smaller than 643. Alright, so let's do this together first before we go to next activity. Number 1, more than. And number 2, less than. Alright, let's compare using place value. The house, the name of the house. So this is example number 3. Which number is more, 856 or 846? Alright, so this is the place value house. Let's see 100 first. So we have the same number, which is number 8. Let's go to 10 house. So what is different? Yes, we have number 5 and number 4. Which one is larger or big? Yes, correct, number 5. And let's look at the one's house. This is the same number, which is 6. Alright? Alright, for this one, let's compare using number line. So we have two numbers, 917 and 920. Which number is less? Less meaning that small. 917 or 920. Let's look at this number line. Alright, so we have 917 and 920. So 917 is placed before 920. So 917 is less than 920. Alright? Let's try this practice together. Take out your activity book, page number 12 and 13. On page number 12, in your activity book, you will ask to compare the numbers, write larger or smaller than. So what you do is, you will look at the number, like example 760 and 319. So which one is larger or small? So the answer is, example, 760 larger than 319. Alright, you compare the number. For page number 13 in your activity book, you will see this instruction. Tick correct for the correct statements, cross X the incorrect statements. Alright, let's do together. A. Compare this. 516 is more than 406. Is this correct? So, if this one is correct, you tick the answer like this. Alright? Or if this one is incorrect, you put X. Thank you for joining me, Mr. Heifer, today. I hope you happy and I hope you understand what we are studied today. So remember, please stay safe, wash your hand frequently, shower when you went back from anywhere, and please stay safe. Don't play outside in a hot sunny day. Alright, see you again next time. Bye.